Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I also thank the honourable member as well. Mr. Speaker, in fact, I have already responded to the gist of the question on Monday, which was asked by the honourable leader of the opposition. But in any case, Mr. Speaker, the full status of the ILO recommendation of the report of the Committees on Freedom of Association in 2016 has been addressed after the signing of the Joint Implementation Report, or JIR, by the tripartite partners. Mr. Speaker, the signing of the JIR in 29 January 2016 led to the closure of Fiji's case before the Committee on Freedom of Association. The Joint Implementation Report 2016 that was signed between the tripartite partners considered all matters that were raised by the Committee on Freedom of Association. Under the JIR, there were a total of 9 matters, where 7 matters were agreed between the social partners. And this is what I said on Monday as well. Mr. Speaker, these matters were addressed in the Employment Relation Amendment Act 2016 that was passed in this August House on the 10th February 2016. Mr. Speaker, as outlined above, this was a timely and proactive approach by the government. I hope that this response also clarifies this matter for the general public. Too often, we have union leaders harping on these issues as if nothing has been done about it. Mr. Speaker, as I have outlined above, and as per the legislation, reports and statements from all parties concerned, these matters are done and dusted. Mr. Speaker, it is now time that we move on and concentrate on job creation and productivity towards growing Fiji as never before. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.